Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are recreating the ultra classy and totally iconic fashion of Spencer Hastings from Pretty Little Liars. If you want to know how I can create this look, let me show you each step through this video. So I'm going to start with the hair. First, I'm going to go to the wavy hair category and put on this hair. Then color it dark brown like this, and I'm going to also put on this two wavy hair like this. And last one, I'm going to go to the feminine category and scroll all the way down until you find this hairstyle, this one. Put it on and color it the same. Once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfits. In here for the outfit, first I'm going to put on this top in the man section and color it brown like this. Then I'm going to also put on these top, jiggle it into tight and change the color the same. And now I'm going to put on this blazer in here and use this pattern like this. Okay, so now for the skirt, I'm going to put on this skirt in here and color it all black. Combine it with the skirt also in black like this. And for the shoe, I'm going to put on these Mary Jane shoes and toggle it into add socks and change the socks color into black and material made. And I'm going to also put on the socks in here, toggle it into high strip socks and remove the feet and change the color into white. Then for the accessory, I'm going to grab this sling bags and change the color into this color right here. And for the shoe, I'm going to also put on another shoe under the code items. You can just put on this shoe, and here I'm going to make it long and choose to support patterns. Change the color into black, all of it. So now the shoes will look like this. And this is it. This is the final result for Spencer Hastings outfit. So it's perfect for themes like academic, preppy, detective, trendy, or TV icon. So don't forget to like if Spencer look always gives style and substance. Subscribe and click on the thanks for more DTI outfit inspo. Bye!